In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to Squarespace easily. Whether you're managing a personal website or a hub for your business, keeping your audience updated with a calendar can be a powerful tool. So let's dive right in. First, we need to open Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to the Google Calendar website through your browser. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you do so with the account that holds the calendar you wish to embed. Once you're in, look at the left side of your screen. Here you'll find a list of your calendars. Find the specific calendar you want to embed on your Squarespace site. Move your cursor over that calendar and you'll notice 3 vertical dots appear next to it. Clicking on these dots will present a drop-down menu. Select Settings and Sharing from this menu. This will take you to a new page full of settings specific to that calendar. Now scroll down until you see the Integrate Calendar section. Here you'll find the embed code. This code is crucial as it's how we'll link your Google Calendar to your Squarespace site. Copy this code carefully. A quick tip here is to double check your selection to ensure you don't miss any part of it. With your embed code copied, the next step is to open Squarespace and log into your account. Navigate to your Squarespace dashboard and locate the website you're managing. Once in, decide which page you'd like your calendar to appear on. This could be your home page, a separate events page, or anywhere you think it will best serve your audience. After choosing the page, look for the option to edit it. In the Squarespace editor, you'll see a plus icon that allows you to add a new content block. Click on this icon and seek out the embed block from the list of available options. After selecting the embed block, a new interface will open with a space for you to input a code snippet. This is where you'll paste the Google Calendar embed code you copied earlier. Finally, with the code in place, the last vital step is to click Save in the top left corner. Saving confirms your changes and makes sure your calendar is visible to your visitors. And there you have it, your Google Calendar is now seamlessly integrated into your Squarespace site. Integrating a calendar can enhance user interaction by keeping your audience informed and engaged. I hope these steps were clear and easy to follow. Don't forget to check how the calendar appears on different devices, as keeping your site responsive is key. Thank you for joining me today, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions. Happy embedding.